In this video, I'm going to show you how to add private story on Snapchat. So first, let's go to Snapchat. And before you take a snap, tap on your profile at the top left. And then go to settings, which is at the top right. And then go to additional services. And then tap on view my story. So if it's everyone, you wanna go to custom. And then from here, you could select which of the following friends will not be able to see your story. So after that, just tap on the back button. And then every time that you would take a snap and add it to your story, those friends cannot see your story. If you want your stories to be visible to them again, just tap on your profile, tap on settings, and then go to the same option, view my story, and then you could tap friends only or everyone, or you can go to custom and then just unhide your story from them. And that is how you add a private story on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.